In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your iCloud account on your iPhone quickly and simply. This process is straightforward, and by following along you'll be done in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, you'll need to locate the Settings app on your iPhone. It's that gear-shaped icon that you can usually find on your home screen. Tap on that to open up your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, find the section right at the top that displays your name, and more than likely your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on your name. That opens up your Apple ID page where you can see all your account details. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. You should see an option called Sign Out. Tap on this button. This step begins the process of signing out from your current iCloud account. You might be asked to enter your Apple ID password at this point. This is necessary to turn off the Find My iPhone feature. Enter your password as required and you're one step closer to signing out. The next step is crucial, as you'll be asked what data you want to keep on your iPhone. You'll have a list of data types like contacts, calendars and photos. Select the data you wish to keep by toggling the switches next to them. It's a good idea to save this data just to make sure you don't lose anything important to you. Once you've made your choices about which data to keep, you will confirm that you want to sign out. Be aware that signing out will log you out of other Apple services that use that Apple ID, like the App Store and Apple Music. After you confirm, you'll need to hold tight for a bit while your phone works through the sign out process. This could take a little while, so just be patient. You'll know it's done when you return to the main settings menu. Now it's time to sign in with your new Apple ID. In the main settings menu, you should see an option that says sign in to your iPhone. Tap on that and you'll be prompted to enter your new Apple ID and password. Input those details carefully to proceed. After you've entered your new credentials, your iPhone will begin the process of signing you in, which should only take a few moments. You should soon see your new Apple ID displayed at the top of the settings menu under your name, and voila, you're all set with a new iCloud account on your iPhone. Remember, if you encounter any issues, make sure your iPhone is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network and your iOS is up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you today.